Hello guys, welcome back. This is Osmosis FX, and today I want us to take a look at GU and what GU is doing for this week. For this week, I'm seeing GU to be bullish. This week we're still bullish on GU. I would like GU to take out this low here, because the main demand for GU is from here. When price gets into this demand zone, we have a rally, we have a base, and we have a rally. This is where price change. So we're supposed to come back in here and mitigate this zone here on GU. So this is how GU look like on a weekly. So this is the present trend we're following in GU. This is the present trend in GU. So I just want to make it very obvious so that we can all see what I'm talking about. Okay, so price swept all this liquidity here. Price tapped into this demand, and we have a rally-based rally change of character. So what I would have been interested in is looking for price to buy up in this zone, in this present zone. I would love to see price buy up in this zone, but look at what we have. Price tapped into this fair value gap after the breakout structure. There's a fair value gap here, from here to here. So price reacted to that fair value gap. Price can do anything he likes though, but for me, I would have loved to see price come deep down into this zone. This is a rally based rally after tapping into a demand. This is a rally based rally formation, and price should flip in back here before heading for here, but price didn't tap into the zone as much as I want to. And also, price is few pips away from take profit. So for me, I'm not going to do anything to GU. I'm not going to trade GU for now. This is about why is everything small? Style, I think it's 20. Okay, thank you. Yeah, this is about 108 pips. So 108 pips is a good mode though, but what if price retrace? What if price is reacting to a supply here and retraced? To properly mitigate, what price needs to take out this inducement here? So there's a lot I'm looking into from here if price should take this out. Meanwhile, price not mitigating here does not mean price cannot move from here. That's just the truth. This is a fair value gap. ICT has instructed that we pay more attention to fair value gaps, and most especially after a change of character. Most especially after a change of character, the ICT emphasize so much on fair value gaps. So look at break of change of character, fair value gap. We have a bullish engulfing. This bullish engulfing, this is morning star rather. This is a true morning star. I like the fact that we have a rejection here, buyers of style getting in. Sellers didn't have buyers were in this trade and sellers pushed it until buyers take over fully in here. And taking over fully here is a strong candlestick for me. Like, there's a lot of power in this buy side here. So that's one thing about this particular trade I'm not taking. I would love to take this trade only if price breaks this high and we see a retracement. If price should break this high and we see a retracement, I know we are going to take out this low. I will surely take it because I know that a lot of buyers will be here to take out this low, and price will come back here and mitigate it. But now, anything price do here, I feel like we are still in consolidation zone in this zone. Because for me, I would prefer price to take this out and retrace to take this out. So external range, internal range, then mitigate this and go. That's what I would love price to do. But no, you can just wish for price to do this, price will do its own thing. So from weekly, let's go down to daily, because I have a lot of markings, you know. My daily and 4 hour has a lot of markings. Now on my daily, you can see on my daily here, I have a lot of reaction and I have quite a lot of waiting. I have a lot of waiting zone here. Extreme, I have a lot of waiting again here. So I have supply here. Why? Because this was the previous, the last demand. This was the last demand. So then I'm trying to zoom in so we can see. We have a break of market structure on the daily, break on the daily. We have a break on the daily. So who is responsible for this break? This last low, and this last low was taken, including the previous low. So double lows was taken. Not when double lows was taken, impulsive move will take out this high, take out this low. We expect to see a reaction of a sell setup inside this zone. That's why I flagged out this supply. The wick is responsible for taking out this place. Now price continued to break, and this was the last break. So price took out this first high, tapped into demand, and price moved. I didn't benefit from this buy because I didn't see it on time. I didn't benefit from this buy though. I didn't see it on time. Price moved. Now we're presently here, and I've wanted to enter sell all through today, but my spirit was just holding me back. You see, sometimes markets can be really, really crazy. Look at take profits. If profit market has gotten here, do you think I should be selling from here, or I should be assuming to buy? But markets can be really, really stupid. Now price action tells me that we are retracing, and there's a supply to push price there. Now power speech today, let's go down to 1 hour, so that I want to see a clear change of character on 1 hour. I'll probably risk a sell though, but I'm just trying to be extremely careful now. 1 hour again, I have a trend broken, and 1 hour look a little bit more scattered. So let me take it to 4 hour. I want to see the change of character in the 4 hour. So on 4 hour,
who has all these scattered books on the floor?
Put this here on 4 hour, then let me go into details. Now for me, here to here is the base. This is the base. So this is the base. Even if I start from here, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. So I have a drop, base, drop. So here is where my change of character happened. This is where my change of factor happened. And okay, good on hourly. This is the base. So what price tag is on G here? I'll probably place one position here. I won't mind if I take a loss. I'll probably take a position, but you know, sometimes your confidence can be the one that you are confident in will be the one that will give you a so, and the one that you are less confident will just work out. So sometimes the market knows how to do that. Because of this, I'll just place my 40 pips is fine. It's quite large, but I'll enter on the 4 hour. I won't enter from the 1 hour. Then I will look to don't show on hourly. Don't come and convince me. Yeah, sure. So I will look to take this guy. I'll look to take this guy out. It's quite a lot of reaction here. I'll look to so 40 pips to 1 to 42 pips. That's about That's about 1 to 3. 1 to 3 point something. So it's a good entry. It's a good entry. So let me reduce this back. This is my base. And this is my entry. I didn't do anything. Okay. For supply. Okay, so it's a good one. I would love to have at least 1 to 2 position here. Then I will aim for this place. That's just what I will look for. But it's a risk though. Price gave me good confirmation entry. So my entry points will be on this coordinates. Should I already say that 0.5 is still it's okay. Let me just leave it up. 0.5 is still a very valid number. I would have loved it to end with 0, but it's fine. 0.5, then 40 pips, 78, 79, 50, fine. Then profits, fine. So I'll love to give a good entry. 40 pips here. Yeah. Sometimes, you know, one thing I would say is, if price should take out this, then price should not take out this. That's just it. This is drop. This way is the base continuation. So price should tap into this and drop. So I will risk a position here, and if it takes it out, fine, no problem about that. So I'm fine, I'm cool with it, no problem about it. If you can see it properly, no problem about it. Just that you have to be wait. Okay, this is it. I want to see this entry here. I think the entry, yes. So I want to see the entry, the chalk. Let's see the entry, top, the chalk. This is the sweep. Yeah. So let's go down to 4. I want to see the entry, sweep, and chop. Okay. Alright, so here the entry would have been here. This is the last man. I like the last man, the last person here. Yeah, this should have been my entry, which was a good one. I didn't enter this trade though. I didn't see it on time. I saw it later, but I didn't enter it because it's moved already. So it's like, just let it go. So that was the buy. And daily has not given me the change of character. You understand? So sometimes you can see daily gave a sweep and change of character. Price came back into this last low. That's why week sometimes is a low. You can see wicks. This is the last guy here. So the wick of this last guy was the one that forced this left and right shoulder. None of them were able to meet up. So price came back into it. Boom. So in here, I'll go down 4 hour. In here is a good. I'll probably place one entry. I'll probably place one entry here, and let's just see how it goes. Because the daily formation has not been confirmed. It's just the 4 hour confirmation that shows that. Oh, it's high time we start selling, but daily has not been confirmed. So take it one. I think that's that for G for now. That's that for G for now. So I won't judge with this trend though. I won't judge with it. Price is so crazy that price can just price can do this here. You wake up in the morning and you just see that price has done this, and you now see that the next day we now start having massive sale. So it's just crazy how price is. So if this zone is going to work, then London session should come back to this zone, because let's go down to, I can't see the time zones, so I did not show you. Okay. You can see this is Asia. I was taking. We got a drop. These are all Asia sessions. Asia. So this is Asia. So you can see come back in here. We can continue. So if you want to use support and resistance, you can see there's a support here, and price broke that support. So I'm probably going to delete it. Let me just take a pre-example of what I'm saying. There's a support here. There's a support. And price broke the support, so you can see support, price broke. So price should retest and continue. So I don't normally use this, but sometimes I just have to look. This is left shoulder, head, right shoulder. then it's saying sell, but you know, price reacted to a more sophisticated supply, and we have a confirmation entry. So this is a good zone to sell. So what's the risk? Because of this trend line liquidity, and we need to fulfill the immediate trend. We need to fulfill it. So we have a lot of movement in this zone. So price has already told me here, don't joke. They are waiting for price to come here to buy. So last week we bought. So let's see if this week we will sell. So note that price can still come back into this zone. That's why I put my for better reasoning, my stop loss is supposed to be above this guy here, because if I enter from a 4-hour time frame, let's say I enter from a 4-hour time frame, my stop loss is supposed to be above this man here. So my stop loss is supposed to be here, no matter my entry. Okay, but that's quite about 50 to, let's see, that's 50 something pips. If I say my stop loss is there, that's 50 something pips. Let's see 3 hours. 3 hours, you can see we have a sweep. This is drop, base, drop, base, drop, price sweep, all these base. Continue. So this guy is still a very good guy on 2 hour. You can see it on 2 hour. Let's go down to the 2. That's 3 hour. 3 hour. This 2 hour. Okay. 3 hour we have this sweep of Asian high. We have sweep of Asian high. So if we have sweep, 2 hours is making it a little bit time. If you have sweep of Asian high, then Asian low taking, price was already mitigated. On 2 hours, price was already mitigated, because here we have this. So we have a sweep, we have a change of character, price came back into this zone, bam, price time moving. Okay, that's on 2 hours. So on 1 hour, price took change, price came back into the zone, and we have another break structure, which the entry is also here. This is 1 hour entry now. So this is for 1 hour. So let's just see Asian move here till tomorrow, and let's see if we can get a good entry there in this zone, and we start dropping. 45 minutes. No, I'm not coming here. Let's go back to our major guys. Okay, so I'll just wait till tomorrow. I'd love to see price get inside deep, then I'll take one entry. Alright, that's that on GU. Love you guys. Thank you for your support. Bye for now.